In a small town nestled between rolling hills and a lazy river, there lived a man named Jack. Jack was a carpenter by trade and an artist at heart. Known for his craftsmanship and a keen eye for detail, he could turn any piece of wood into a masterpiece. Despite his talents, Jack lived a modest life, always keeping to himself and avoiding the limelight. One day, the town faced an unprecedented challenge. The old wooden bridge that connected the town to the other side of the river had collapsed during a violent storm. This bridge was the lifeline for the entire community, used by farmers heading to markets, children going to school, and everyone visiting family or friends. The town was in disarray, and the mayor called an emergency meeting to discuss the way forward. Engineers and construction workers were consulted, but rebuilding the bridge would be expensive and time-consuming. Jack attended the meeting, and for the first time, he felt an urge to step out of his comfort zone. He stood up and offered to rebuild the bridge himself, promising to complete it in half the time quoted by the engineers and at a fraction of the cost. The town was skeptical but desperate, and the mayor reluctantly agreed. Jack worked tirelessly day and night. He designed a bridge that was not only strong, but also beautiful, blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings. His dedication inspired the townspeople, and soon, they joined in to help. Farmers brought materials. Children and elders carried tools and offered support. The whole town rallied behind Jack, and the bridge construction became a community project. After weeks of hard work, the new bridge stood tall and sturdy. It was more than just a bridge. It was a symbol of unity, resilience, and the incredible things people can achieve when they come together. The town held a grand celebration, and Jack was the guest of honor. For the first time, he wasn't just the quiet carpenter. He was a hero who had brought his community closer together. The story of Jack and the bridge spread far and wide, and soon he was receiving requests from neighboring towns and cities to build bridges and other structures. He mentored young carpenters and shared his knowledge, always emphasizing the importance of community and collaboration. Jack's life changed dramatically, but he remained humble, grateful for the chance to use his talents to make a lasting impact. In the end, Jack's success wasn't measured by wealth or fame, but by the bridges he built. Not just across rivers, but between people, proving that true success lies in the connections we make and the communities we create.